How to place an order on Uber Eats for someone else. In this video, I will show you how can you easily place an order for someone else on Uber Eats. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Uber Eats application and now all you need to do is choose the option of add item and place your order which you want to send in some other location for someone else. Once you place the order, simply click on Add to Cart. And in this final page, and now all you need to do is make changes in location and details in the order. Provide the details of the person who will be receiving the order and also provide the location of the recipient. After that, click on Next option. Now, after you click on Next, your order will be placed. And it is also not necessary for the recipient to have the application in their mobile device. So that's it. That is how easily you can place an order on Uber Eats for someone else. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.